Forecast.
Well, still tracking strong to at times severe thunderstorms. They're starting to sink further and further to the south. Initially, they were in our northern suburbs. I can hear thunder outside a studio here in East Providence. In fact, let me show you first with a severe thunderstorm warning. We've had multiple warnings. They're issued and then they expire. The only one right now is just over the border in Connecticut until 7 o'clock this evening, but we're still getting some strong storms. Nonetheless, take a look at the Doppler radar. Now, these are concentrated now, Plainfield, Connecticut, Eastern Connecticut, southern Kent County, northern Washington County, Arcadia, Centerville, Richmond, Exeter, heading towards Davisville, Wickford, North Kingstown, Saunderstown, with some damaging wind gusts, downpours, potential for some hail, and moving towards the rest of southern Rhode Island shortly. Over the border in Connecticut, still a severe thunderstorm warning. These white flashes are lightning activity. Tremendous amount of lightning with this particular storm that is now crossing the Connecticut Rhode Island border. Had some downpours in Providence that are now pulling away. Severe thunderstorm watch through at least 8 o'clock this evening, and just a lot of lightning, especially with this storm now to our south. This whole line, which stretches from just south of Boston, Plymouth, northern part of the state, and out through western Kent and southeastern Connecticut, is tracking off to the east. The severe storms, or the stronger storms, are now further to the south. They're not quite as strong north and west of Providence anymore, but still keeping a close eye. You can see in downtown Providence, you're in a bit of a lull. You had that downpour pass through a little while ago. It is now heading towards Dayton and Rehoboth. We'll get a close-up look at this is the one that we're more concerned with. It is coming out of eastern Connecticut, south of Plainville, Connecticut. This is the Connecticut-Rhode Island border. This is a real nasty thunderstorm. It may not be classified as severe, but it is certainly high impact, and it could very well go into a severe thunderstorm warning. For now, we don't see that, but this is Exeter, North Kingstown, Route 1, Post Road, and you can see more than likely some localized street flooding with this particular storm that's passing through right now. It is moving off to the east. It'll be crossing over Narragansett Bay, heading towards Portsmouth, eventually Newport, and along the south shore. A lot of lightning with it, and you can see over the border in Connecticut, still with that severe thunderstorm warning until 7 o'clock. Here's the wider view, and notice upstream there's not much going on, but this whole mass is going to take a few more hours to eventually clear the coastline. New Bedford, you've been quiet all day, but these storms eventually headed your way as well as they track off to the east. So downpours, the moderate risk of hail, moderate risk of straight line wind damage, strong wind gusts that are blowing in a straight line, not twisting like a tornado. But with that said, the tornado chance is there, albeit very slight. And the reason why is we've noted some storms have had some rotation. Now, if the rotating air within the thunderstorm just kind of stays up in the cloud, everything is fine. But sometimes that rotating column of air can reach the ground and get a tornado. So the chance is there, albeit slight, but we're not seeing anything like that right now. But it's something that we'll keep an eye on. The downpour that went through Providence now has pulled away. You may get 1 or 2 more downpours and thunderstorms. In New Bedford, you've been peaceful and quiet. That'll be changing probably. These storms are probably 90 minutes away from you, but they will head your way later, early this evening. So now through about, say, 8 o'clock this evening for Rhode Island, some strong thunderstorms, and then we'll extend it till about 9 o'clock in the evening out towards southeastern Massachusetts. Once we get beyond 9 o'clock, things are on the improve, and we're back to sunshine Saturday morning. And Saturday afternoon looking much better. Partly sunny skies, dry and comfortable, looking at temperatures in the lower 80s. 7-day forecast shows our weather alert for a few more hours through at least 8 o'clock in the evening. Dry, comfortable both Saturday and Sunday, with a mix of clouds and sunshine, and temperatures generally between about 80 and 85 degrees. But all eyes are being weather aware in the southern part of the state, Mike. I'm looking at the Doppler radar, and it's indicating that some of these winds are going to be pretty strong. There may be some wind damage in Washington County over the next couple of hours. I'm actually surprised that there's no severe thunderstorm warning for this particular cell, but it is certainly high impact. Exeter, North Kingstown right now.
All right, Tony, thank you. And coming up tonight at 10 and 11, the impact the weather Tony's talking about is having on tonight's concert at Gillette Stadium, a concert that fans have been waiting years for.